Are your videos getting the views, but losing viewers before the good stuff even starts? Let's uncover simple strategies to transform your videos from passive viewing to active engagement, boosting audience retention and growing your reach. First, start strong by front-loading your best content. Hook viewers within the first few seconds. Skip the lengthy intros and get straight to the point. Show what your video is about on screen very early. Next, vary your video formats. Mix things up. Alternate between talking head segments, screen recordings, animations, and B-roll footage to keep viewers stimulated with different visuals. Incorporate interactive elements, add poll features, clickable cards for related videos, and end screens with calls to action. These elements turn viewers into contributors. Use clear and concise language. Overcomplicated phrasing can push your audience away. Get to your key points quickly and be easy to understand. Furthermore, optimize for mobile viewing. Most people watch videos on their phones. Ensure your video is formatted correctly, easy to understand, and has large fonts and captions. Encourage interaction and comments. Ask direct questions like, "What do you think? What's your favorite part?" And always remember, respond back to comments. Finally, keep it brief. Attention spans are short. Aim for concise, captivating videos. The ideal length depends on the content, but quicker is usually better. By implementing these simple tips, you can transform your video content from passive viewing into true audience gold, driving engagement and ultimately growing your channel. #video engagement, #audience growth.